Okay, I'm here with my pal Anatoly Levine from Radvision and also IMTC, and we're going to talk about IMTC right now because he's heading to Hawaii in, what, a week?
No, in 2 days.
In 2 days. So Super Op is happening in 2 days, and there's a lot of interesting stuff going on at IMTC at the Super Op. You want to talk about SIP parity first?
Yes.
Okay, so tell us about SIP parity.
So, SIP parity is one of the activities which is about 2 years old in IMTC, and the goal of the activity was to create a profile for SIP-based video conferencing to work on ultimately the same level of functionality and the same level of functionality as H2S360. So a lot of work is done. We have a lot of a number of profile documents built, and this time we're gonna test with a big group of companies present. There will be, of course, Cisco, there will be Polycom, there will be some newcomers like Blue Network. First time, Huawei will be joining the testing activities, and we're going to also have Labor, so there will be a lot of different companies. Of course, Radvision, and so this will be one of the large activities, which is, and it's not going to be the only one for the video conferencing, because of course the traditional H2S3 still will be tested, that it's interoperable with all the whatever advances are done for the equipment, it's still going to be tested, and quite really not to make anyone feel bad, I have to mention. Of course, life size and video will be the same event that will be if I forget the company, it's definitely not competition.
Okay.
So H2S3 testing will take place, and also the IMTC now owns TEEP, which used to be Cisco Telepresence Interoperability Protocol, and now it is IMTC. TEEP, the activity group, is doing a lot of work, and we're going to do testing at the event for TEEP. Interoperability, and again, Cisco and Polycom and Radvision and Lifesize and Huawei and Teleris all participate in TEEP activities.
Okay, now, one interesting aspect of this is right now we've got a lot of video conferencing solutions that are going over the top on mobile video. Are these things SIP-based, and should we expect that at some point we'll see interoperability on the over-the-top video, you think?
A lot of over-the-top video is not necessarily SIP-based as well. Skype is not SIP-based, and Skype, FaceTime is definitely not SIP-based, even though it uses SIP to some degree. So there is a lot of non-SIP-based video conferencing which is done over the top. Radvision has a full line of products which is SIP-based, which are developer solutions which can be used to build standards-based. It's actually both SIP and H2S3. It really doesn't matter. It still can be used, but I would say today majority of the over-the-top stuff is not SIP-based. Will it change? It should be changing, because the need for connectivity exists, and this is what IMTC is doing in establishing interoperability for standards-based technologies. So a lot of over-the-top stuff will have to come and mediate all the services at some point. So they will have to interconnect, and they will either through gateways or directly, but they will interconnect into standards. This is inevitable. But right now, again, as just as a matter of fact, most of the over-the-top stuff is not standard.
And what about codecs? There's particularly you guys use SVC, the scalable video codecs,
right?
And other people have been playing around with similar technologies. Will there be any interoperability testing of that?
No, there will be no interoperability testing. What we will be doing is we will have there is a meeting where we will discuss a subject of forming SVC activities precisely for this exact reason. Because today there is a number of companies, literally every video conferencing vendor has their own variation of scalable video coding, all of those are different. Vision has totally separate implementation from video, Polycom has their own, LifeSize has their own, so everybody has their own implementation of scalable video coding, which is not interoperable, which is a problem, definitely, because if it's not interoperable, it means that in a mixed environment, which is the majority of the cases today, the end user, the customer, is disadvantaged for the commerce. So effectively, we will be looking if IMTC can create a change in this environment, and we will be looking at feasibility of establishing SEC activity group, which will then work on really creating interoperable profile and making sure the SVC situation is before profile at this point, not ready for the profile. It can do profile, and standard is universally understood and exactly the same between a lot of implementers. Right now, SVC is all over the board, and so it needs to be trimmed down in understanding what it is, and then we can build a profile, and hopefully end users will be able to take advantage.
Okay. I'm going to stop us on this part, but I'm going to have a part 2 in just a moment. So thank you, Anatoly.